How to adjust text box transparency on Canva. So to adjust, all you have to do is first of all open up your Canva and then make sure to log into your Canva account, and after that choose a template. And after choosing a particular template, you will have a text option on the left corner. Click on text, and from here you can choose any text that you would like to add. So I'll be choosing this one. And after choosing, you can simply click and drag this text here and there. You can also adjust this one and make it smaller or larger according to your convenience. And now to adjust the transparency, on the upper right corner you will have a transparency option. Click on that, and from here you will have the option to adjust the transparency. So that's it guys, that's how you adjust text box transparency, and if you have any questions feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.